86. Let's read it. Which of the following statements is not true regarding resonance? Energy of resonance hybrid is lower than energy of any canonical structure. Correct. The canonical forms have no real existence. Correct. Canonical structures have the same number of unpaired electrons. Again, correct. The canonical structure differs in the position of nuclei. Student, this is an incorrect statement as resonance structures have the same position of nuclei. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is 87. Let's read it. The mole fraction of NaCl in 4.5 molar aqueous solution of NaCl is. Student, we are given with the molality and we have to calculate the mole fraction. So, molality is equals to number of moles of NaCl upon mass of water in kilogram. Number of moles is 4.5 and mass of water here is 1000 kg. That means number of moles of water is equals to 55.55. So we can calculate the mole fraction of NaCl, which is equals to number of moles of NaCl upon number of moles of NaCl plus number of moles of water. So 4.5 upon 4.5 plus 55.55, which is equals to 0.075. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is 88. Let's read it. Most covalent among the following is. Student, for this question we need to understand Fazan's rule. So here first statement is smaller the cation, more will be the covalent character, and then more is the charge on cation, more will be its covalent character. So it is very clear that among the given options AlCl3 will have the most covalent nature, or we can say that AlCl3 among the given compounds will be most covalent. So the correct answer is option number 2. Also, I'm writing the order of covalent character for the given compounds. So, order of covalent character is AlCl3 followed by MgCl2, further followed by NaCl, then we have KCl. Here we can relate with charges, but in case of NaCl and KCl, we have to relate with the cationic size. The cationic size of sodium is smaller than potassium ion since NaCl is more covalent than KCl. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is 89. Let's read it. Functional isomers among the following are. Student, for this question we have to understand the molecules with the same molecular formula but different functional groups are known as functional isomers. So let's find out that which is the correct answer. In option number 1, same groups are attached. Here ether, ether. In option number 2, this is a ketone and this is an aldehyde. That means option number 2 are functional isomers. In option number 3, both the compounds are ketones. In option number 4, the molecular formula is different. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Aldehyde and ketone with same molecular formula are functional isomers. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question. Let's read it. CH4 plus O2 in copper tube at 523 Kelvin and 100 atm pressure. A compound A is formed. We have to find out the final product A. Student, in this, during the controlled oxidation of CH4 in copper tube at temperature 523 Kelvin and 100 atm pressure, the product formed is methanol. This is A. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Students, thank you so much. That was my last question. I hope this quick solution is helpful for you all. All the very best and be safe. Thank you so much.